Are you tired of uneven cooking and hard to clean pans? Ready to level up your kitchen game with a tool that combines the durability of cast iron, the quick heat of stainless steel, and the ease of non-stick? Watch till the end to discover why this hybrid wok might just be the game changer your kitchen is missing. Welcome to today's review, where we're diving deep into the world of hybrid cookware, specifically the standout 12-inch wok. This isn't your ordinary wok. This one packs a punch with its advanced patented technology designed to bring out the best in every dish you create. Let's start with what sets this wok apart: the hybrid construction. It combines stainless steel and aluminum, two powerhouse materials, to give you precise temperature control and even heat distribution. Whether you're stir-frying, braising, or sautéing, this wok ensures that your food is cooked perfectly throughout, with no hot spots. And don't worry about those delicate sauces sticking. The wok's non-stick surface takes care of that, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. One of the most unique features is its laser-etched hexagonal design on the surface. This allows you to sear like a stainless steel pan, but with the ease of non-stick cleanup. Plus, it's scratch-resistant, so metal utensils are no problem. Another standout is the versatility. This wok is compatible with all stovetops, from gas to electric to induction. It's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees, making it perfect for finishing dishes in the oven. Now, let's talk about convenience. The long, stay-cool handle makes it easy to maneuver even when the wok is hot. And there's an additional helper handle for secure lifting. It's not just functional, but also designed with practicality in mind. With all these high-tech features, you might think this wok is bulky, but it's surprisingly lightweight, making it a joy to use for cooks of all skill levels. So, whether you're a professional chef or just love to cook at home, this hybrid wok will transform your kitchen experience. It's durable, easy to clean, and works seamlessly on any cooktop. Think about how much easier your meal prep could be. If you're ready to invest in quality cookware that lasts, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.